Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will teach you really quickly how you can crop images and photos in your PowerPoint presentations. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this really quickly so that you may apply it for yourselves. So start by accessing your presentation PowerPoint and add a photo or image to your slide. So I added this one here for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, is let me just resize that image really quickly, just like that. So the photo of that aerial view here, I would like to crop it and get rid of that object here on the left side. So this is how you can crop your image, guys. Left click on it and head over to the picture format tab here at the top. And here on the very right hand side under size, you will see the cropping tool. So you may click on it, for example, and start your image cropping by left clicking and holding on one of these black colored image edges or corners, just like that. So simply find your preferred setup, just like that. So let me crop it and leave only that area here visible. And to confirm and save your changes, simply press enter on your keyboard and that is going to crop your image, as you can see, perfectly. That's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.